At ASM AI Fest, the conversation around AI is growing louder, smarter, and more dynamic.
At ASM AI Fest, artificial intelligence takes center stage, showing how smart technology is becoming part of everyday learning and living.
School. Creative sessions explored how AI can help learning and daily tasks. Junior college. Sessions explained how AI makes studying smarter and problem-solving faster. Management college. Discussions focused on how AI improves decisions and management. Engineering college. Activities showed how intelligent systems solve real-world problems. Day 6 highlights how AI connects education with real-life impact.